In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map a domain in Zoho Desk. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through this process, step by step. Let's get started by heading to the Zoho Desk dashboard. If you're not already there, simply log into your Zoho Desk account using your credentials. The dashboard is your main hub, where you'll find all the tools you'll need to manage your help desk operations. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you haven't spent much time navigating it yet. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a gear icon, which represents the setup menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. This will open up a list of options, and this is where you can configure various aspects of your Zoho Desk settings. Now, among these options, you want to find and select Integrations. Integrations are essential because they allow different applications and services to communicate and work together seamlessly. This is especially handy in business environments where using multiple applications can be the norm. In the Integrations section, you'll see a variety of services available for integration. For our purposes today, we are interested in Zoho CRM integration. Zoho CRM is another powerful tool that, when integrated with Zoho Desk, can enhance your customer support capabilities by giving you access to a wealth of customer information directly from your CRM. So, go ahead and click on Zoho CRM. Once you've clicked on that, you'll see an option to integrate Zoho CRM with your Zoho Desk. Click on this option to start the integration process. Connecting these two services will sync data, ensuring your CRM information is readily available in Zoho Desk, thus making your customer interaction more efficient. As this process completes, you may be prompted to authorize the application. Be sure to review the details and permissions before you proceed. Authorization is a crucial step that ensures that your data is shared securely and only with the intended application. With everything set up, you should take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the new features and data available within Zoho Desk. You can explore how customer data from Zoho CRM is now integrated and can be used to improve your service quality. These tools can help you streamline your workflow and enhance your customer support experience by providing timely and relevant information at your fingertips. And there you have it. You've successfully mapped your domain in Zoho Desk. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy mapping!